Hi, my name's Michael and I'm going to show you how to fit a bin pin lock. First, let's have a look at what we need. Cordless drill, a 22mm hole saw, interchangeable star head, shift and spanner, double tip pen, tape measure. Now these are all the parts for your lock. What we've got is your indicator, locking nut, locking washer, rubber washer, 3 screws, your lock itself, an attachment, and the lock for your bin. So the first step for fitting your bin pin lock is, let's take our marks. First of all, what you want to do is take your measuring tape, take the full width of the bin from point to point, and with your double tip pen, take your centre mark, which is here. Next, what you want to do is take your line and run it down the back of the bin. This will come in handy later on with your attachment. So the next step is you want to take your indicator, push it into the inner lip on your centre mark of the bin, put the bin down, take your indicator round, put it down like that, and mark right on the edge. Now this is the point where we will be drilling. Okay, next you want to take your drill with your 22mm hole saw and drill to the point that we've already marked. So now that we've got our hole, you want to take your lock with the rubber washer, feed that onto your lock, and then take your lock with the hook first and feed it through the hole that we've made until it's at this point, facing that way. Next part, you want to take your locking washer and feed that onto your lock, followed by your locking nut. You just want to tighten that right up there. All the way up against the lid of the bin. Next, what we want to do is take your key and place it into your lock, take your shift and spanner and give this a wee jag up so that it's tight. So now that we've fit the top part of our lock, the next stage is we want to take a mark for our inner attachment. So the first step is take a measuring tape and we measure from the edge of the lid of your bin down to where the hook is on the lock, which is 30mm. Next, we want to measure the inner lip, which is 8mm. Now we add them both together, and on the line that we marked previously, we want to measure down 38mm, which is roughly here. Now this is going to be the top of our inner attachment. So next, we want to take our inner attachment, the end with the bolt coming out of it, that's the top, okay? And what we're going to do is we're going to place this on the inside of the bin at the point that we've marked, and we're going to screw through the centre hole. So we've got our bin lying flat, we take our inner attachment, and on that mark that we made 38mm down, we want to place the top of our inner attachment on that point, using the bolt at the top as a sort of centre guide from the line that we've marked down. Next, you want to take the cordless with your star head in it and take one of your screws, and what we're going to do here is we're going to screw through the centre hole. So now that we've fitted our inner catchment and our locking mechanism, we want to make sure that everything's aligned correctly and the lock is working. At this point we've only fitted one screw in the inner catchment, just in case we need to adjust it up or down. Perfect, so the lock's working. And last, we want to fit our other two screws in the inner catchment and tighten the ball and the top of the inner catchment. This is just so that we've got a wee bit of support in the lock. And that's your big pin lock.